Tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, even harder than bone. This mineral fortress protects teeth from the daily wear and tear of biting and chewing. Tooth enamel is the hard outer surface layer of your teeth that serves as protection against tooth decay. It's considered the hardest mineral substance in the human body, which makes it incredibly effective at protecting the sensitive inner layers of your teeth from daily wear and tear. However, despite its strength, enamel can be damaged by decay if teeth are not cared for properly. Enamel is primarily made of hydroxyapatite, a crystalline calcium phosphate. This composition contributes to its strength, but also makes it vulnerable to demineralization by acids. These acids can come from various sources, such as sugary and starchy foods that bacteria in the mouth turn into acids, or directly from acidic foods and drinks. Once enamel erodes, it cannot regenerate, making it crucial to protect and preserve its integrity. Protecting tooth enamel involves several practices focused on minimizing acid exposure and reinforcing the tooth's natural defenses. Good oral hygiene is fundamental. This includes brushing teeth at least twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing daily, and regular dental checkups. Fluoride plays a key role in enamel protection by helping to remineralize slight enamel erosions and making the enamel more resistant to acid attacks. Additionally, a diet low in sugary and acidic foods can help preserve enamel. Drinking plenty of water, especially after consuming acidic foods or drinks, can also help wash away acids and sugars, further protecting your teeth.